All right.
I can burp on command.
Here she is. I brought my bike. The dude bros all brought their boards.
Oh, yes, all
And we're gonna fucking rip some trails, dudes. This is MTV Sports. I don't think I've ever gotten it this wet before. Holy shit.
Let me trade you.
Okay. Oh, you're a saint, dude.
It's just nice to do this with a white light. We'll be able to get it up.
All right. Oh, fuck. Dude, you're strong as shit. This is a bad idea to bring this. But I bet nobody's ridden a surron here. He's strong as shit.
Oh, I'm trying to reach.
Hey. Oh my God. I'm the worst fucking friend ever.
No, you're good.
Since you pushed it up here, do you want to take it for a spin?
You said on the map.
Look at that. Yeah.
I love this thing.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Oh, dude. Dude, are you guys gonna jet on your hoverboards or what? I should have put my mud guard on, dude. What the hell was I thinking? It's like spitting water at me right now. It's okay, I'm used to being wet. Dude, this space is sick. Do a kick flip, man. Hitting 21 on the Turnpike, baby. There's the tunnel. Fuck, dude, it's getting in my mouth a little bit. There's water. Oh, they're doing a movie shoot here. There's other people up there. They're taking pictures.
Yeah.
They're doing like a photo shoot up there. You could go strike up a conversation with them, dude. I like kind of looked at them, but they didn't like say hi to me or anything.
Guys, there's a tunnel up there.
Hey, guys, get out of here. This is my place of residence. It gets like super fucking water, mud puddly up there too. I was getting splashed. We out here. You're living your dream, Ishvan.
I'm behind.
Oh, there's stairs at one point. You will float too. Oh, it's not even that fucking deep. Oh shit. It's honestly better than most roads in PA. Who the fuck is that up there? Hey! There you guys are. Did you guys go in that little like room?
Yeah, we did.
That's whack. I think.
It smelled like poop when we left. Look, Perry the Platypus.
Holy fuck. Yeah, I was like, where the fuck did they really go all the way down the tunnel? Holy shit. Dude, this shit is so dope, like on a bike. Yo, this shit's fucking sick. I feel like Batman entering his Bat Cave. Yo, this fucking tunnel is so damn long. Dude, I'm heading almost 30, holy shit. Oh, hey, you're not my friend. Did you see my friend? Is that him? Oh, that's him, up there. Ishvan, is that you? Dude, it was a good choice to bring this fucking bike. Boards, dude, yeah, you got pretty far. I thought those people were you, but there's two of them, so I knew it couldn't be you, because there's only one of you, baby. This is perfect for a surron. Oh, some fellow bikers. All right. I'm not the only one that brought my bike.
That thing sounded straight up terrifying off of the distance.
Oh, I bet. How did you guys get your bikes up here? We had to push this up a hill. It was a struggle. Cool.
Is that electric or gas?
Electric. There's another tunnel, right?
Yeah. There's like vent rooms and shit up there.
That's cool, because like I went in the room down there. The stairs were gone.
Yeah.
But it's the same. You could just go up around the side.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Fellow bikers down there. Hey. Holy shit. There's other bikers down at the end, and they're like, dude, that thing sounds terrifying coming down the tunnel. It's like, I see you dudes on the flip side. Hey, the bikers are gone.
Do you mind if I go up there first, take a few pics?
Yeah, dude. I don't think anybody's gonna like steal it.
There was other kids here, that's why.
You could literally drive a car up here, dude. Fuck, I probably gotta put my goggles back on. Shit. Big fucking puddle up here. Hop over that. Skirt! I think it just goes and goes and goes. Ah! Narrowly avoided that fucking funnel. Hey, my friends are up here. Better watch out, dude. Oh, it says Logan is gay. Did you see this? Did you write that? I think he fucking wrote that.
Somebody said that thing's cool as fuck, and he said, oh, thanks, you too.
Yeah, I mean, why not? Gotta compliment them back. Weird how I lose service in the tunnel. There's just graffiti all along the entire fucking wall of this place. Just wow, I wonder how long it took this whole tunnel to get filled up with graffiti like this. How many years that took. Oh, this one's really nice. It even goes up on the ceiling. Someone put a dick on him, no. Look at him go. That does sound fucking scary. Holy shit.
It's so nimble.
I know, it's so tiny.
It's like, it just moves.
It's not like a regular dirt bike,
I got
right?
so dirty.
I know, dude. I hate to imagine how I look.
I love this.
Dude, you should get one.
So dirty, a white shirt would not get it.
Oh, it's all on your back, too. These fucking steps are probably broken, too. Bro, why the fuck are all these steps broken? Like, when the fuck did they break these? You gotta be kidding me. But then they're fine up there. Maybe they took them out. Well, that's sketchy. That's mad sketchy. I assume we meant to climb down here? Wow. That's so sick. That's convenient. But I feel like this doesn't open. Because nothing. Oh, that's fucking cool. Oh, hell yeah. Alright. Whoa. That's a nice drop. Oh, it's like sludge in here. Oh, that's nasty. Oh, that's fucking creepy. Dude, that's disgustingly sketchy looking. Ugh, I do not like the looks of that whatsoever.
That tree is mad fucking high.
You too? I mean, alright, let's go.
Yo, it's the first time I've ever heard that. I give you that.
Caitlin, I know you like heights. You can like literally walk across that.
Yeah. So I don't have the lighter.
I thought I said spider.
You have the lighter.
I have the ring. I have the ring. I have the
I
ring.
knew it was making me think of something.
Yes, I have the ring. We all can sing exception.
I have the ring.
He said these steps are okay, I guess. This is the claustrophobia room. Oh, that's where the steps. Oh, lordy.
Oh, are those?
Did you know that it breaks off right there?
Yeah, that's why I told you to go.
I could have used a warning real quick. Holy shit. Imagine I fell through that crack. You guys would have to leave me for dead. Hey, I can hear Ishvan down here if you like. Yeah. These titties. Ooh, this is nasty. Oh, she nasty. More holes in the ground, really? What the hell is this room supposed to be? Oh, fuck me, it just loops around. Careful the hole. It's Caitlin sized.
It's a Caitlin-sized hole.
They are, though.
Are you calling me fat?
No, if I
Yeah?
stuck, you
I don't
don't
think I actually could fit that long.
I feel like you can put your arms up fast.
How far? Wait, does this literally go over the tunnel?
Yeah.
Bro, imagine riding the surron up here. Hey, there's like stripper poles in here.
This is some spooky shit.
This is like Monkey Run now. Yeah, if Monkey Run had stripper poles, obviously. Oh, this ground's poop. What? Why?
It's like clay.
I kept thinking that on the way up here, it's like clay.
Like every single step you took was like. Hey, yo, where you going?
Yow.
He'd be like, oh my God, the voice is in my head. Not again. Hey, I can see you guys. Jordan, I can see your face.
You keep looking down the holes and we're still like above tunnel.
Hey, what's up, brother? What's up, brother bears at 840 yet?
See you on the other side.
Dude, I'll see you dudes and dudettes down there later, okay? Dude, catch that wave, bro. Hit every wave as if it's your last, and as if it's the biggest and bestest wave you've ever hit, bro.
Do a kickflip.
I love that. It's so inspiring, bro. What the fuck?
Do a kickflip.
Like that? Thank you. All right, I'll see you dudes and dudettes down there. Stay safe. I love those kids so much. Bye, father. Meet him on the other side. Damn, girl. nice in the fucking sunset at least. We see the other tunnel, losers. Whoa, dude, that's a cool trick. You're gonna do a cool trick?
Not on these are.
This road is a quirky one.
We sat on our boards and just went under.
That's actually...
All our hands are fucking gross. You were like the size of how tall the tunnel was.
Really?
Yes. Like this, like this. Like...
People were shorter back in the day when they built the tunnel, probably. God, I want to trade. So this was a highway?
Turnpike.
A turnpike?
You had to pay to like use this road.
Oh.
Because it was like a faster route.
And they built all this shit just for someone to maybe use a faster route.
Yes, sir.
That's kind of dumb, actually. No wonder it's not here anymore. I could not imagine riding a skateboard on this dirt shit road. Thanks for letting me bring my bike, Ishvan.
That wasn't me. That was.
I just showed up on it. I was like, we're taking his truck, so.
Thanks to me or anything.
I was, yeah, thank you. I was like, well, if we're taking his truck, there's gonna be space for this bike. Gas is so fucking cool. How does it work?
Yeah, is it like a.
Yeah, it's a throttle.
There's no clutch.
Yeah, there's no clutch.
Can I try?
Whoa, is that surronster? It's like a bicycle, kinda. It's a horsey, all right.
That's sick, man. Yeah, that's fun.
My board! Thank God Jordan's so strong. I won't bring it back again, I promise.
No, this thing is cool.
All right, let's see if we can lay her flat in the back this time.
Oh, my ass is dirty.
No, that's my ball. Go ahead, man.
Okay, so we probably should move this shit out of the way, because then we can put the skateboards around.